Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify emulated. To know how to fix or how to solve your Spotify app emulated, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window of Spotify. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.